Hey everybody, Travis Watkins here. I'm Travis Watkins, Oklahoma City tax attorney, and I've got some big announcements here from the IRS that just came down yesterday that's going to give some people some pretty good relief for the 2018 tax year. That the filing for personal returns is coming up April the 15th of this year. And the IRS just announced yesterday that they are going to do some penalty and associated interest abatement or forgiveness for certain taxpayers for the 2018 tax year, just as of right. In other words, you're entitled to them if you fit in these categories. And here's what the category is. Let me give you a little background first. The American tax system, I'm trying not to bore you here with the whole shooting match, but the American system, as you probably well know, is a pay-as-you-go system. In other words, you've got to pay quarterly taxes throughout the year if you are a self-employed person, for instance, or if you're a wage earner, you have to withhold taxes from your paycheck, and you're responsible for making sure that that everything is correct there in the way of what you're withholding. And if you don't do so, then when the next tax year rolls around, then you may owe a penalty, some additional money there for not paying or withholding enough tax. So back in the end of 2017, when the Trump administration and Congress got done with the Tax Cut and Jobs Act, there was a lot of unknowns there. It was touted, that program was touted as being something that's going to save people a bunch of money. Everything wasn't completely worked out at that time, and as things progressed there and we got more direction from the IRS, then that may have, the IRS believes that may have affected some people's how they did their withholdings or paid their quarterly taxes, may have messed that up. And so they're going to give a little bit of a break here, a little bit of grace. The law is you've got to withhold, currently the law is you've got to withhold 90% of the tax that would be owed for that year and pay it in throughout the year, either through withholdings or quarterly taxes. But what they're going to do now, I think I said 90%. 90% is the rule. You got to get 90%, close to 90% of what you were supposed to withhold. The IRS is going to lower that for this year to 85%. So if you are within 85% of the tax, you've withheld up to 85% of what you're going to owe for that tax year, then you're not going to have any additional penalty there. And that's a pretty good thing. There, we're going to get a little bit of grace. A lot of people thought they were going to really save here, and so halfway through the year, we were telling people you better take a look at your withholdings and make sure that you're withholding enough. And we made some adjustments on people's withholdings there, but this gives a little bit more grace there for people that may not have withheld enough. If you need your tax return done, we are already getting that process started for the 2018 tax season, the 2018 tax years. And so give us a call at 800-721-7054, or if you'd like for us to look at your 2019 withholdings, then give us a call as well. It's a perfect time to go ahead and get those tuned up, because this thing probably won't be around next year. They're just giving us a break here for the 2018 tax return. All right. Hope you found this useful. Again, call us 800-721-7054 if you need help with tax returns or with a tax problem. We're standing by to help you. All right. Have a great day.